Odonjeno weche mag tuke ni tim mar volleyball mar Kenya mar mine ma nigi ng'ol mar winjo ikore ne tuke mag volleyball ma piny ngima e piny mar Japan. Kenya dhi e tugo kuom thuolo mokwongo kendo migi thuolo ma achiel kachiel. Kenya ni e group mar A kanyakla kod timbe kaka Italy, USA kod Japan.
From last year, we've been preparing and we've been training. We aim to bring home a medal. The training has been good. We are just aiming for gold so that we can make our Kenya proud. It is our first time to participate in Deaflympics, so the training has been amazing and everything is good. The team is good, the improvement is there. We are only pushing. The coach is working and giving a lot of training so that they can improve in their skills and their technical skills in the field, in spiking, in jumping, in receiving, defense, and different positions. So we are really amazed because the improvement is there.
I know there is a history in the pool that we are in. We are with Italy, Japan, USA. I know those are the powerhouses in volleyball, but we are up to the task and we promise that when we are going there, we are going not as underdogs, but to bring back a medal.